Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to transform photo with zoom blur using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to be transformed with a zoom blur. First, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Next, select the upper layer and convert it to a smart object. Now go to the filter in the main menu, select blur, and choose radial blur. From the pop-up box, select blur method as zoom and change the value as per your preferences, then click OK. Now go to filter in the main menu, select noise, and choose add noise. Change the noise value as per your preferences and click OK. Next, select the smart filter under the upper layer and set the foreground color to black. Select the brush tool from the toolbar and adjust the brush size as needed. Now, change the flow value to 50% and apply the brush to the desired areas. Finally, you will have the photo with the zoom blur transformation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.